Hello guys, Habibi here. This video is not a tutorial. It is a gameplay that I'm going to play my own game, and it is my third video that I'm playing this Mystery of Meraung, or the English, yeah, Meraung Village, the Mystery of Meraung Village. Yes, it is the third video that I'm going to play and continue the game. Where was I? If you did not watch my previous video, please check out the playlist and you will see how did I arrive here. So here is a blinking icon. Let me check it out.
Serem nih kampung. Apa bener masalah air ya?
So I'm feeling so sleepy.
Dulu deh.
I will take a nap. And then what? A phone call. Let me check. Where is my phone? It is here. I'm going to pick it up.
Udah dikirim nomornya?
It's my friend.
Udah tadi siang. Paling besok pagi nyampe.
Agung.
Oke, kalau kantor kan? Iya. Besok bisa paling nggak? Lah, jangan buru-buruin gitu dong. Sebentar. Kedengeran nggak?
That sound again.
Itu kentongan lagi. Kayaknya ada yang mati lagi deh. Tadi siang ada yang mati juga. Gue tutup dulu deh ya.
Is it another person dying? Let's check it out. Let's go out the house and let's see what is happening. I don't know how long did I sleep. It's in the middle of night here. Can you hear that sound? Oh, there are some people. Let me check. What are they doing? Somebody is dying, man. Oh my god. You know guys, those voices and sounds, I recorded it from using my phone, including that sound and voice. It was myself. Pretty funny to me. Let me check.
Kenapa lagi nih Pak? Aduh serem deh. Iya anak. Banyak tetangga yang tahu-tahu kejang kayak gini terus meninggal. Aduh Pak, gak kuat saya lihatnya, saya pulang aja.
The character me here is very funny guy. Whenever the player see a problem, he won't solve the problem, but instead let me go home, let me go to sleep, and let me pick up the phone. I don't remember when did I pick my phone here. It's so mysterious.
Iya Gong. Rip, paket lu baru sampai tadi. Beneran Rip? Air kampung lu toksik Rip. Bilang orang-orang jangan ambil air dari sumur. Beneran? Pantesan. Iya Rip, selain beracun juga kadar bakterinya banyak banget.
Okay.
Kok bisa ya?
That was my friend. He was saying that the water has arrived and he analyzed the water and said that yes, the water is so toxic, poisonous, and that's why people in your village are dying, dead already. So I said, okay, let me go to the, what do you call it, a person in that village that I don't know how to explain it. Let me tell somebody here to close the well. So I'm going to knock the door
Assalamualaikum Pak RT.
It is coming.
Waalaikumsalam. Mas Ali, malam-malam gini? Iya Pak, ini dapat berita penting Pak. Jadi gini, kemarin saya kirim sampel air sumur yang di musola itu ke lab. Ternyata setelah dites, air sumur di kampung ini tercemar Pak, beracun dan banyak bakterinya. Mohon umumkan ke warga sini ya Pak.
The point is,
Kok lagi-lagi pocong? Anjir, nyebelin kampung ini.
Ghost. I have to run away. And again, my only destination is this house, my home, my uncle's house. Oh, they are coming so much of them. So, the funny side of this game, whatever is happening, you just need to go home and sleep here.
Mending buruan tidur aja deh, biar cepat pagi gua cabut dari kampung ini.
And tomorrow morning my friend will come and he will pick me up so I can leave the village. It is morning now. Wow, I hope nothing bad will happen again. Let's go up.
Nah, si Agung datang.
So here is my friend Agung with his nice car, SUV, and the plate is C11HUY. Let me go inside and let's go. So guys, we are leaving the village, and goodbye people. Don't drink that water from that well, it is poisonous. You can see that the well is closed by the guy, Mr. Who was the name? I forgot the name. Here is his house. Here is his house that I came there last night. And it is the end of the game, guys. So, what do you think about this game? If you wish, you can play the game and leave me your feedback, or simply just leave your comment below this video. And the end. And do you know what is it? It is a link to the second game. Oh, it's so loud. Okay, it's so loud. There is a second game, the next story after this game. So you want to check out the next game, just find the title was the South Meraung Village. Okay guys, thank you for watching this not tutorial, I'm sorry. I used to make tutorials, but now I'm playing my game. So thank you for watching my video, and see you next time. See you soon. Bye bye.